Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Amya and we are discussing about mechanical measurements. In the previous video, we have discussed about the definition of measurement and the basic concepts and the requirements of measurement. Now, in this video, we will discuss about significance of measurement. To understand the significance, we must ask a simple question: where we can use a measurement. Now, measurement is very common thing we use in the day-to-day life, right? So we measure groceries, we measure different quantities, we measure parameters, we measure temperature, pressure, everything. Okay, so what we can do is we can broadly divide measurement or significance of measurement into four broad application areas, and let us discuss those application areas in detail. So first application area in which measurement is very important is research and development. Okay, so what is research and development? It is basically a developing a new system. Okay, so it's a new product, right? It can be a development of new product, new design, new process, right? So measurement will play a very important role in research and development to measure the parameters which you are designing as a new parameters, or major dimensions of a product which you are designing a new product, so that it can fulfill our requirement. Okay, so that is the research and development part where measurement plays very important role. Second part is basically a measuring of performance. Okay, so this is when you are having any existing system, measurement is important to understand the performance. Okay, so improve efficiency. If you want to improve efficiency, if you want to track some parameters, right? So for that, measurement is commonly used. Okay, so that is what the one more area in which measurement can be used. The third significant area is also a control process. So whenever you go into the industry, there are a system which controls a specific process. So let us take an example of a boiler. So we need to maintain temperature and pressure of a boiler depending upon the requirement of other systems, right? So that is basically measuring something and controlling that process to achieve the whatever requirement of output is. So that is basically a control process. So control process is basically used to optimize your performance, right? So measurement systems plays very important role in the control process. Okay, controlling some process. And very common measurement systems is also impacts into the uh, cost and commerce of your new product. Okay, so this is regarding specification. So your measurement system will decide, or you are measuring something, parameters will decide cost of your product. Okay, so it directly reflect into a commerce. Okay, so if you take the example of any new product which we buy, let us say a mobile phone. If we are buying, we always go check the specifications of that mobile phone, what the screen size, what is the RAM. So all these things are in numbers, right? So that is what your measurement is. Okay, so that is how, if you are going for a new product, the measurement or parameters or dimensions of that product will reflect into the direct cost of material, work, everything, and you will get the final product. So significance of measurements is roughly divided into these four types, that is research and development, measure the performance of your system, controlling the process for optimized performance, and the final cost or the commerce related to your product. Okay, so these are the areas in which measurements are used very significantly. Okay, so it is not like you have to just go for these four areas. You can also list out your areas also for a specific product, and then you can discuss about the significance of measurement. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. Okay, we'll just clear it up, everything. Yeah, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. In coming videos we will be discussing about the classification of different measuring systems. If you haven't subscribed or liked or like my channel, do subscribe my channel and follow the playlist on your screen to get more videos on mechanical measurements. Thank you.